Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, students of Year 9. This is the lesson overview for Week 4, Period 1. Let's begin with a knowledge recall. So, speedos, identify one harm in the following cases. Runners, identify two harms in the following cases. And flyers, identify all the harms in the following cases. Please refer to the cases on page 132 to 133 of the textbook. Put down your answers here on the Nearpod Collaborate board. We are continuing with the topic started earlier, which is there should be neither harming nor reciprocating harm. Our learning objective for today is to evaluate the given situations in order to increase benefit and reduce harm. In order to achieve this learning objective, students should be able to infer the reason behind the Prophet's action narrated in the hadith of Umar radiyallahu anhu. Research the rights of buyers and sellers in the UAE if you belong to the silver or the runners group. Appreciate UAE's anti-smoking laws. This is your task if you belong to the gold or the flyers group. In order to start working on this task, head over to assignments, select Y9U5L3 activity 3 and follow the instructions. This is how your activity worksheets will look like. So answer all questions in the spaces provided and turn in your assignments. If you have followed all steps in the proper order, you would by now have achieved the learning objective. We head over to Nearpod once again to the Collaborate board and summarize whatever you have learned today. With that, the lesson ends. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu feekum. So now head over to your chat where I have shared with you the link for the Nearpod slide that you have to go through step by step. Thank you very much, and we meet in your next lesson again.